Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance interview tips. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about Mindtree full guidance for technical round, managerial round as well as HR rounds for every batches, CSC, EC, IT, any branches are getting helpful uh, tips from this video. So CS and non-CS both candidates are getting interview experience from this video. I will share those candidates who have already faced their interview and also the hit questions which are coming in the Mindtree examination of interview. I will discuss now. So let's get started with the list of the questions. So, in general, mainly the following topics are being asked in the Mindtree technical interview, like the topics are data structures, file and storage, coding problems, networks and connections, database management, and operators and processors sometimes, and also algorithms and logic. So, these are the few technical important area you need to practice, you need to keep in mind. And for the the HR interview usually consists of the personality and history of the candidate. It varies, depends on the interview panel, but most common topics like background check, family, hobbies, passions, strengths and weakness, achievements, etc. So now for the EC candidates, the few questions the students are faced already. Like first question was about sorting in 2D array, second question was like functions of binary tree, third question was similar to the second question. They requested a further explanation in detail. The interviewer thought of the question because of his answer, the interviewee's answer. Okay, so because he insert a new concept properly, so the question was not a problem for him. So next, the final question came to him like about linked list. The interviewer gave a problem, asked to explain the logic. Once that was done, he asked to write the logic in code. So this was his interview. For the EC background, HR question are very similar, like family background, relocation, if he is ready to relocate or not, and hobbies. So now another interview experience for the EC candidate. He faced like project experience, strongest and weakest subject, and knowledge check about those subjects, and basic questions on OS. Okay, HR questions like hobbies, passion, family, relocation. These are similar. Now for the CSC candidates, these questions like you are very much familiar with these questions. So now I'm just discussing once again. Like tell me about yourself, that is the introduction, then project and internship, then programming knowledge preference, difference between runtime and compile time polymorphism, and HR questions like tell me about yourself, how friends describe you, why Mindtree, where do you see yourself in next 5 years, are you ready to relocate, are you willing to work in different shifts, are you fine with the bond, and those kind of stuffs. So now I have jotted few commonly asked questions, so that it's very much helpful for you. If you have given your Mindtree interview, please let us know in the comment box your experience, so that it helps other students who are going to give this examination. So, and all those students who are watching this video, I would say all the best to you. You will definitely give your best in your examination. Try to prepare very well and be very much confident about your answers. So if you don't know anything, any topic, then please convey that you have no idea. That is no wrong about that thing. Like if you are saying no, then maybe they will reject. There is no such kind of thing. Okay, so now the questions are like tell me about yourself, why did you choose the career in IT, what goals do you have in career, how do you evaluate success, what do you think it takes to be successful in career, what accomplishment have given you the most satisfaction in life, are you a team player, do you handle conflict well, what qualities do you feel a successful manager should have, will you relocate in the future, what is the greatest strength, why should I hire you, what is your weakness, how can you say that you were the right candidate for us, tell me about a time when you had too many things to do and you were required to prioritize what you will do, your task or any other work. What is the thing that can disappoint you while working for a certain employer while you work on? You have to prepare these kind of answers. Okay, these questions answers. Now for the technical round, the above questions I have mentioned from the HR perspective. Okay, now for the technical round, like what is the difference between abstract and interface? Very common question from oops concept like Java, and write a program that takes a 5-digit number and calculates to the power that number and prints it. Tell me about the real world example of polymorphism and encapsulation. Does Java support multiple inheritance? Explain how do you pass data from one JSP to another JSP. Then to 15 liters of water containing 20% of alcohol, we add 5 liters of pure water. What is the percentage of alcohol? This kind of logical questions. What are thin driver and thick driver? Why they are called so? What is the difference between Java and .NET? How can we change, increase or decrease the size of an array variable without losing the previous values? What is ABAP query and why is it used? What is the probability of January 1st being on Sunday? In the following figure, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, each of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9 is A. So these kind of logical questions and technical questions will come. So I think I really helped you guys. So if you really like this video, please subscribe our channel to get this type of videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you will get latest notification when we will publish this kind of videos and job notifications. Stay tuned with us and hit the like button and subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.